guys, happy Vlogmas Day 16. And this morning, spiders. On the way back from the walk to take Alana to school, we're going to be collecting stuff for the Christmas wreath. So that's why I need to get these. Let's go. So we're walking along this path and looking for some stuff that we can get, but I haven't found any holly, which is what I want.
This is right here.
Oh.
It's got any berries on it.
No.
Come here, Dotty.
Dotty, come. Dotty. Come on.
This is what you want.
Good girl. Come on.
Little bits of holly on the end of the stalk so you can go round.
Maybe for a bit, but I did want some with berries. Look at the fields. I love living here. It's so good. I'm coming. Come on then. This is a good happy puppy. Where's Dotty? Dotty! Come on! So she stopped with Mum. Come on, Dotty! Anyway. Dotty doesn't like mud. Come on then, let's go.
Look at that bit of algae off the tree.
She does not like mud. Come on. There we go. You're being very good on this walk, Dotty. Luckily there are not many animals around. She did have a sniff at some rabbit holes, but she is being a very good doggy. So yeah. What are you going to do about this mud patch? Yeah? Go on then, let's continue. Yay! Come on then. She's so cute. Hey guys, so I'm having lunch. These cheese thingies. These things. And then these jalapeno thingies as well. Yeah. And I'm gonna watch Home Alone 4. Didn't know it existed. It's on Disney. So I'm gonna watch that. Let's see. It looks like Alana's already started watching it, so I have to rewind it. Right, rewind. Okay. Let's see. It's a different kid. It's not the Kevin kid. The third one isn't Kevin either. Guys, it's here! I've been waiting literally all day. I was so worried this wasn't going to come. As you can see, it's dark outside. But it is some Christmas presents and something for my bedroom. Ah. Come on. Okay. Ready? Okay. Okay. Please let everything. Okay. So this is a Christmas present I got for my mum. And then there's another one as well. And then this is... Okay, I'm not sure about this now. But I ordered a rug for my bedroom floor. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, it's folding out bigger. Phew, I was worried then. Okay. Okay, maybe it's not exactly. Oh, it's dusty. That is a dusty rug. Ugh. Cool. I kind of like it. It's not exactly what it looked like on the thing on Amazon, but it doesn't look too bad. This is it. Okay, it's not what I was expecting, but anyway. We'll see how it looks in my room. Okay guys, so I'm going to watch another Home Alone. I'm eating my dinner now. Home Alone, and it's called Holiday Heist. There is one more as well, but I think that's made by Disney, so it's not made by the company. It's called Home Sweet Home Alone. So anyway, I'm gonna be eating my favorite ready meal because we don't have that much food in the house right now. We need to go shopping tomorrow, which we're going to probably Lidl's tomorrow or something. This is so good though. My mum went out. She was getting Casey from the train station, and then there's like a Tesco's Express near it. So she went and got some food. These guys, they all had hot dogs, but I didn't want that. So she got me this chicken and prawn paella. It's delicious. It takes 4.5 minutes. But it's amazing. Yes, so I'm going to be watching another new Home Alone. I thought I'd watch more. My favourites so far are number 1 and number 3. Yeah, 1 and 3. Yes. I don't know what I'm going to be filming. I don't think I'm going to make the wreath tonight, or if I do, it won't be part of this video. It might be a video on its own. So you have to watch out for that. Yeah, I need to clean up my room as well. Okay, so advent calendar time. What day is it? 16, isn't it? Make a wish. Okay. I didn't make a wish. I don't know what to wish for. Anyway, I don't know what else to film, so